Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogel here with Target Trading Academy. Today is October 13th, 4:08 p.m. Eastern Time. Today, not the best day for trading, but we did have several opportunities if you took them, if you receive our high volume levels each night prior to your day's trading. Let's go over our market recap here in the micro, starting with oil. You can see that we started our day inside of yesterday's range, and we had not one but two, three, four potential entries, all winners. You wouldn't have been pulled in at this last time here. So 4 opportunities, and they would have been 4 winners in the micros if you took them. Granted, nothing exists or counts unless you take it, win or lose. For the most part, it was pretty lackluster. Oil is transitioning over into its new contract. We'll probably see less and less volume in this one until we roll over, and probably won't see much action until next week. As far as gold goes, the overnight in gold drove up the price quite high. They had a lot of rejection in the overnight, and we opened gap up this morning, and it got driven down towards that point of control where we saw 1-2 opportunities pan out. You wouldn't necessarily have been pulled in over here or here for those HVA edges, and so you would have been protected in that regard, and neither here. So again, 2 opportunities that would have both worked out, and then it just had some trending entries. If you have been qualified by our instruction to take those advanced trades, you would have had those available to you as well. But for the most part, we had that rejection from the point of control of yesterday into white space above our contract high, where we made some new highs for the day. Moving on to our equities, starting with the ES. In the ES, again, not a ton of movement. We did have our opening start inside of yesterday's range, pretty much at the point of control, as you can see, inside yesterday's range. And we had several opportunities that were both winners right off the bat. And as it progressed, we had, if you took it, a loser. So 2-1, no entry, winner. So 3-1, 4-1, no entry. 5-1 if you took it on that inverse side. Questionable if you even got in that, if you would have been slipped or not. So I'm not going to count it. It could have been either way. So far, 5-1 or 6-2, or 5-2 or 6-2, or 6-1 or 5-2 is the answer. But again, nothing counts unless you take it, win or lose. And then it sat inside of yesterday's range quite a bit. And then these are the FOMC minutes that we see with the news, with a monster inverse at our level that we called the night before. If you were ready for that, you were looking for that trade. So another winner. Lots of opportunities, lots of winners. We did have this one I didn't mention beforehand as well as a winner. Winner. Just a ton of response at these HVA levels. Again, these levels are given the night before for your trading in the overnight and in the pit. Again, another winner, as it's still continuing on today. Now moving on to the Nasdaq, we had pretty much the same response. We opened inside yesterday's range, and the levels were holding really well. So initially, winner, didn't quite get pulled in. So that's 2 right there if you took those opportunities. Not pulled in on that long, pulled in on the short. Winner, that's 4. Get this over for you. 5, 6, 7. Questionable if you would have been pulled in. potential loss here if you decided to take it there, not pulled in. That's those FOMC minutes again, that news responding in this area. Winner on that upside. So the odds are definitely there. So again, not the most extravagant day in terms of movement in the markets, but a ton of response at those HVA edges. Let's move on to some significant trades that were taken in the micros. Starting off with Roman, this is in the pre-market, up 112.50 live real money. Again, pre-market. William Thompson taking that initial short at the opening of gold, writing it down with one lot for $26 on Sim. Roman again taking that trade that William took, up another 122, so he's up about, 250-ish live real money. And then we have Miro taking a inverse short in Nasdaq with the bot, up 77.50. Miro again with the bot in Nasdaq, another opportunity, now up 152.50 using the Oracle automated trading assist software that we have that can execute faster than a person could to help you execute your trades and assist you in your daily reversals at these levels that we give out prior to the market's opening each night. William Thompson again, but in gold on the other way, taking one of those trending entries, now up 54. Darlene taking a risky reversal in the Nasdaq, up for 54 off of those edges that we give prior to live real money in the micros with one lot, $54. Cindy Kinder, live real money in the micros, taking a trending entry that we teach to live students in the micros with one lot. That's 10 ticks or one whole point according to her risk to reward that she got out. Miro again with another reversal off of those HVA levels we give out prior to, now at 179.50 in the micros. He took this one manually with two. We have Brenda Abs taking that same trending entry, this time holding it with one lot, making $73 live real money in the micros with one lot. And finally, Nancy Andretti taking that reversal short in the micro ES with three contracts, the one that we had waited for, off of that HVA level that was given out the night before for $56.25 live real money. Again, that is our market recap for you. We will see you tomorrow. If you are interested in learning more, come check us out on Facebook, Target Trading Academy, and you can get in touch with the representative there, or you can go online to our website at targettradingacademy.com and get in touch with us through there as well. Look forward to seeing you in the room.